Good morning! I ordered a lot of succulents online from our local grower here in the Philippines because I have a big project coming. Welcome to our new place. Let me give you a quick tour before we start opening these boxes. This is our side patio where I originally planned to build our greenhouse. But I changed my mind because we have 4 huge mango trees here that can provide some shade. So instead, I have the greenhouse built here on the other side where they can get longer exposures to the full sun. The construction is still ongoing, so please pardon the mess. We have several trees that fell down due to Typhoon Odette, so we have a lot of wood for our future projects. These woods here will be used for our table, and we have the chairs ready. That's our greenhouse on the left side, and this is our house. Would you like to see the inside? Come, let me show you. Welcome to our home. I'm opting for a modern minimalistic approach, so you won't see much inside. This is our living room and dining area. Our coffee area and the kitchen. And now, here are the 5 boxes waiting to be opened. So, let's start. First, let's line this table with tissue papers. This will help absorb excess moisture later if there is any. Alright. Woohoo! This is so exciting. Let's start with this one. I think I know this one. This is an Yonyum. You know why? Because it's got bruises on its leaves. But this is a beautiful Yonyum Kiwi tricolor. So if you get this one from the mail and they look beaten up like this, do not feel bad. It's normal for this plant to have some bruises because this is a delicate plant. A slight touch can cause some bruising mostly on the underside of the leaves, but the plant will outgrow it. This is beautiful. I like it. Next, this is Crassula Falcata. It produces beautiful, long-lasting flowers when matured. This one is nicely packed. The plant is dry and the roots are also dry. So, good job on packing this one. Looks like we're having another Crassula Falcata. Oops, this one is kind of moist and heavy. Ooh, this is a beautiful rosette-shaped Echeveria. But you know what? This is overwatered. These pale orange leaves here, they are gone. They are already translucent and soon will become mushy. You can't even propagate these leaves. See, the storage cells are already damaged. Soon this will turn mushy if not black. So we need to save this one because this is in danger of dying. The worst mistake you can do is to plant this directly in the soil and water. It will surely die in just a few days. So for now, let's put this on top of the paper towel to dry. This is beautiful. How I wish I can show you clearly the bluish purple streak of this one. But again, this plant is also overwatered. When you receive plants with leaves that are wet and dropping off easily, that's a sign that it had too much water. So make sure to keep this in a dry place to save the plant. I can tell that this plant can show off beautiful colors when stressed. Let's check this one. Oh, look at this. It's so huge and beautiful. This is Echeveria gibiflora. This one is pretty healthy and huge. What I like about this cellar is that the roots are wrapped well, so the plant's leaves are clean. Let's check another one. Ooh, looks like an Echeveria chroma. But it's hard for me to tell because of the discoloration. This is a good sized plant. Thank you, seller. Oh, look at this hairy one. It's a kalancho or kalankoi, and it's white. I think this is a snow white panda plant. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. The leaf here feels soft and mushy, so let's just keep an eye on them. I do not know what this one is, but this is beautiful. It may look ordinary on the screen, but it has beautiful variegated leaves. Now this one is wet. The wetness is not coming from the roots, it's coming from the leaves. So guys, if there is anything you can learn from this unboxing, is this. When you send plants, avoid watering them weeks before. It is better that they are dormant than sending them with bloated leaves. The leaves can tear off and the water inside will start leaking. It can damage the rest of the plants inside the box. Next, here's another rosette-shaped Echeveria. I do not know what's the name of this one. If you know the name of this, please help me identify. Beautiful, right? Let's have another one. Here's another beautiful rosette-shaped Echeveria. The seller sent me good-sized plants and I do appreciate it. The only thing I'm concerned about is that most of the lower leaves are mushy, which is a sign of overwatering. Look at this one here. See this one here? It's black and completely damaged. It's no good. But you know what? I do not feel bad about this shipment because this turned out to be an opportunity for us to learn. No wonder a lot of people fail to successfully grow succulents for the first time. It's not because of you, but probably because of the plants that you got. Like this one here. The top rosette is okay, but the bottom leaves are again mushy. But we can save this plant. Wow, this one has beautiful variegated leaves. Can you see the pink, purple, and white lines there? It's beautiful. Here's another wet packaging. And of course, expect some mushy leaves as well. This one has variegated leaves. Can you see the white lines there? It's beautiful. Obviously, this is another overwatered one because the leaves are already falling off. And lastly, this giant Crassula Falcata. So these are what's inside our first box. Watch out for more unboxing videos to see all the plants included in this shipment. And guys, if you can purchase succulents locally, it's cheaper to get them that way. But make sure you know how to deal with problems like overwatered succulents. If you want to learn how to save overwatered succulents, I have a video about that. I will leave the link in the description below. Now, if you cannot access these succulents from your location, we can help you. We have beautiful Korean succulents available from our website for worldwide shipping. Message me if you have any questions. Take care, everyone.